See, we have those little wing lights. Rotate, stops there, stops around. You can hide them, or you can rotate them in. I like that. Try me. Okay. Well, here's the stand. You can make it into a handle, or tuck it all the way in, or use it as a little stand. You can bring it up here and hang it on something if you want to. So we'll try the second light. Switch on the right from the back. It's the spotlight. See it right here. And then on and off the spotlight. And you can focus that or make it wide. Pretty bright. Let's try the switch on the left. Holy moly. All three of those are lit up. So you've got full brightness, a little bit dimmer. Notice the top one's not on now. Now you just have the top one, it's even dimmer. And you have the red and red blinking. Okay? So the 2000 lumens happens when you have all of them lit. It's certainly very bright. The instructions say don't point this at someone's eyes and don't look at it. It could damage your eyesight, I suppose. And these things heat up. I think these are LEDs. I'm not sure about that one. It looks like LED, but it still says it heats up. Guess they're all LEDs. So there's a 7 mode, twisting function, twist focusing. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, we're in spotlight mode. You can see it focused. That's as small as it gets. And then you can open it up. That's pretty wide. It's about 10 feet right there. About 10 feet high, maybe about 8 feet high. And about 8 feet from the wall. Let's go full force with both of them on. Yeah. That's a bright light. Cool. You see the light comes with a nice standard USB plug on one side, USB-C on the other. I think it's called USB-B or Type 2. And got a little cover, keeps it kind of waterproof. I charged it up, all 5 lights I showed you will light up. It's got a little stand. You can hold it like a little handle. You can see when it's charged, all fall away, 4 lights will show. Okay, filming the garden at night. Let's try the spotlight. Let's zoom it. That's in. Now it's wide angle. Go to illumination. Let's try the other side. Go full bright. Pretty nice. Nice light. Easy to handle. Let's try it against the garage door. That's wide angle. That's focused. That's 2. And if you try to, that's 1. If you try to push the button too quickly, it stays in the current mode. You have to leave it set just for a second. If I go like that, it's back on, same light. I have to stop it for a second and then go. Now I get the double reds. Stop it, and then blinking red. Let's take a look at that blinking red from a distance. That's blinking red. So that would be used for when you break down or something in the car, put it out back. It's good visibility. It's hard to see it. I've turned off any kind of night support with the camera. Overall, I like the camera. I wish the back buttons would illuminate so you can see them, but not a big deal.